Imagine waking up one morning and realizing your retirement savings, everything you've worked for, is exposed to the very system that's quietly collapsing. That's what happened to Tom and Carol McKinney in Scottsdale, Arizona. They had over $710,000 sitting in a traditional 401k, and after watching the market nosedive in 2022 and hearing whispers of another interest rate hike, they finally said, enough. And right now, you might be facing the same dilemma. Just this month, the US national debt passed $35 trillion. Inflation is stubborn. The Fed just hinted that rates may stay higher for longer, and major banks are warning of a possible recession in early 2026. Even President Trump weighed in recently saying, "We're sitting on a ticking time bomb." That's not fear-mongering, that's fact. So let's ask the hard question. If your retirement is tied up in Wall Street, what happens if the bomb goes off? Tom had that exact moment sitting at his kitchen table, staring at his brokerage statement. It wasn't panic, it was clarity. He realized he wasn't actually diversified, he was vulnerable, so he took action. He rolled over 514 223 into a gold IRA. Not because he was a gold bug, not because of conspiracy theories, but because he wanted true diversification. Tangible security, something real. Now here's what might surprise you. Tom and Carol didn't do this on a hunch. They started by getting a free gold IRA guide, just like the one linked below. No sales pressure, no gimmicks, just straight educational advice from someone who listened. And that guide, it changed everything. It laid out how they could move a portion of their IRA into physical gold without triggering taxes, how it could serve as a hedge, not a gamble, and how thousands of other retirees were doing the exact same thing. Gold has been a safe haven for centuries. When banks fail, when currencies fall, when markets crash, gold holds. That's why, in times like these, even governments and billionaires stock up. But here's the part no one tells you. It's easy to protect your savings. You don't have to be rich. You don't need to bet the farm. You just need to be proactive. So if you're 55 or older, if you've got 100K or more in an IRA or 401k, if you've been wondering whether there's a smarter way to preserve what you've built, there is. It starts with a single step. Get the free gold IRA guide. Take the no obligation call. Ask your questions. Learn the facts. Tom and Carol aren't worried anymore. Their retirement is no longer riding the roller coaster. It's grounded, stable, protected. That peace of mind? It started with a 5-minute call. So here's what I'll leave you with. You've worked decades for your retirement. Don't let one financial storm wipe it out. Protect it, strengthen it, leave a legacy. Get the free guide below. Talk to someone who actually cares about your future. No pressure, no pitch, just education. Your future deserves that.